Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Nafisha Faiza Marsha Aurum from SMP Negeri 1 Sukabumi, and today I would like to tell you the second story that we know as Frozen. Frozen is a very popular story for kids in the world nowadays. Please enjoy. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom that ruled by a queen and king that had daughters named Anna and Elsa. Elsa had a magic power. She froze everything she touched. She couldn't control it until one day she hurt Anna with her power that made her shut the world out, including Anna. Day by day, Anna feels really lonely and remembered the time when they played and built the snowman together. Elsa, psst, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wished you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. No longer after that, their parents died. So they opened the gate and had a coronation party. Anna met a boy named Prince Hans and asked for Elsa's blessing. But Elsa did not agree. They were arguing. Elsa, please, I can't live like this anymore. And I mean, why? Why do you shut me out? Why do you shut the world out? What are you so afraid of? Stated Anna. I said enough, said Elsa and accidentally showed her power up. She felt mistaken, guilty, then ran away from the kingdom. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a full queen to be seen. A kingdom of isolations, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside. I couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Anna chased Elsa and met some people in order to find her. Olaf, Kristoff, and Sven. They were facing some danger, but at last they found Elsa. They were arguing once again, and accidentally Elsa hurt Anna. But this time, Anna only needs true love to heal her. They were arguing, but still, Anna wanted Elsa to come back to the kingdom with her. Elsa, please! I know we can figure this out together. You don't have to live in fear, said Anna. But how? What power do you have to stop this winter? To stop me? No escape from the storm inside. And at what I said before, Anna needs true love to heal her. Everyone thought it was Krista, but it was too late. Anna has turned into ice. Elsa cried and hugged her. But the miracle happened. Anna turned into humans again. Now Elsa realized that to control her power, she only needs true love. So everyone, the moral value is we have to love our siblings as we used to be and help them in any kind of situations. Or simply, we need to be kind, loving each other, and have a happy life. And Nafisha Faiza, thanks for your attention. See you next time.